Muigai nie ndehita itegwitigira ati nie mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua. Muigai etikira ugo Ruto arenda nie ndikamu support maisha-ini makwa mothe yuraga ikiaga. Ici nie ti ciugo ciakwa, indi ni ciugo kuma tunini twa Akenya aingi thutha wa ndeto cia kumakania na cia magigi gukorwo ikianiko ciegie uria mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto arikitie gukorwo agietha mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua niguo ati makorwo magicokano. Indi to gucokano tu, President William Ruto he kiria arerera mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua akorwo agitikira. Itanakunia uria kuratuika President William Ruto arathie na mbere gukorwo akioha mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua na niki ekumuhe gukorwo Gachagua ni egwitikira makorwo magicokano. Ni no ngwihoe na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo gi-subscribe thini wa channel ino itu, ndugakorwo ukiriganirwo gukiinyaga kengere niguo kamukagira mohoro ukire wa mbere hindi ciothe riria twakorwo tugikirira maria marathie na mbere gukorwo makikunuka na makihanika guku thini wa bururi uyu witu wa Kenya. Thutha wa ndeto gukorwo ikiyumiria ciigie uria President William Ruto athiete na mbere akiaririra na gukorwo akiuga ni ahitithirio ni advisors ake ni kurio akorwo akihagura mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua, na Ruto agitikira gukorwo ati ni akorwo akimuruta office-ini na agikorwo akimuruta thini wa thirikari-ini yake. Riu ningi ndeto ni cirikitie gukorwo ikihithuka ati President William Ruto kuona desperate gugathana tamu ya keri na ya muthia iria gagikorwo akimiona na njira ya gugituika ati ni athurwo thini wa githurano kinene kiria kitwerekeire gia 2027. Ruto ni ajitie kana ni arikitie gwethana na mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua guko akienda mundu ugwitwo Gachagua gukorwo akimuohera ni undu wake gukorwo akinyita itemi nene muno makiria gukorwo akimu impeach. President William Ruto etha mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua maikorwo makiaria kuria ica ikuhi President William Ruto ni atanyitwo gwika mogaruruku thini wa ndundu ya ministers ica ikuhi ni gukorwo akirehe athiriti a hakuhi muno a mundu ugwitwo Mugatheti Rigathi wa Gachagua niguo Akenya manjie kuona kai hihi mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua macokanite na Mugatheti mundu ugwitwo President William Ruto. Niguo ndeto ici iragikorwo igitrend na nie nigukorwo ngikuota. You are being scared by the talk of 2027. This is not my concern. Will the 2027 election be any different from those we have done before? What's the issue? People should calm down. We will get to 2027 when it comes. There is no election happening this year, Ruto stated. I will be not intimidated by threats about 2027. I have served as an MP for 15 years, deputy president for 10 years, and now I'm the president. What more do I have to prove? The problem for some is that they have never been president and don't know how to become one, he said. Isune ciugo cia mundu ugwitwo Mugatheti President William Ruto iria araikire mwena uria wa Mandela aikorwo akira mundu ugwitwo Gachagua we daraikorwo agitigira gukorwo one term president na anakorwo agiciriki thini wa ithurano, anakorwo mubunge kwa miaka 15, anakorwo mundu ugwitwo deputy president, anakorwo minister na thaici ni president wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Thutha wa Akenya aingi gukorwo makiona na kuigua ndeto ici gwituika ati wega ati President William Ruto ni ajitie gwetha mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kuona akiri desperate kugathana tamu yake ya keri. Mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua arakimwira we ndarenda ngwataniro yake na weta Gachagua ekurugama na raia. Haha niho Akenya aingi makorirwo majitie gukorwo makiruta mihwa mwanya na nie ni gukorwo ngikuota andu maiganona haria ta uyu arikitie gukorwo akiugo. And Brian Nyanga wakawa, you are giving yourself false confidence. Mr. Gachagua is right. And MC Amos Ratemo akauga, and this doesn't change the fact that Mr. Sugoiman is a one-term president. And Kenywa J. Nathan akakorwa kiugo, tell them to you launch one transformer and you are going around launching the ready launch project the second time. And Ketar Benil akauga, impeached half-term deputy president. And Siri Omar Vimwestern akauga, maybe Gasiaku was among those who wished Kasongo beaten on 2022 election until he was picked as the DP. Anyway, Kenya si ya Mau pekee. na Stephen Karos akauga opaqueness, abduction, insecurities, high cost of living, corruption etc in Kenya. Na Bryant Cabs Embu akauga Gachagua giving us a sleepless night. Na Dani Muriuki aikia Mohoro yake akauga very good, the sequence from 15 10 5 0 very nice. Na mudo oweto Shadiment Lakwet tap Mungu akauga Mungu amchukue tu Ruto juu akirudia 2027 atatumaliza sana. Na David Dairo akauga kwani hii uongo ulisomea wapi kama sio kampeni unafanya nini juu ya gari. Enya Chepkorir Maserla akauga my president is doing a good job, live long Ruto. Na ninatoka Kabiet area akawa did he really serve 10 years as DP. Na Samuel Kemunga akauga during that you never had the opportunity to peddle lies like you have now. Na Digestive Biosystems akauga na amesema miaka itakuwa 5 nimesikia nini. Na David Wadhu aikebo wake akauga mbona unaongea about 2027 kama ushtuki, be humble. Na Enoch akauga na anakuuzia uoga na unanunua utaweka stima kwa nyumba ya gunia. Na mudo oweto Isaac Mandu akauga the threat will never be Gachagua, the threat is bottom up. Ondoa pesa mfukoni, unfulfilled campaign promises, corruption, affordable housing, levy, tribalism, SHA and abductions. Gachagua will only be a kingmaker by reminding Kenyans all this with experience of being cheated, including religious leaders, which is giving him comfort. Once beaten, twice shy will be applicable. Na Doriko Igia kauga we umekuwa rais umemshinda na nini isipokuwa kuwa number 2 in the world kwa corruption. Na modogo to kushpapa akawa yeye unamdharau, yeye ndio atakupeleka Sugoi. Na Peter Tokyo kwa you think Gachagua is a threat, the threat is the entire country. Uoni. Na Geoffrey Maina aikia Mohoro yake akawa the response itself it's a confirmation of panic, you have never seen it all, why worry about those who have not seen anything. Na mudo oweto John Githui nake akaugo pride comes before a fall. Na Wasafi Junior akauga I can see you as a one-term president, hata ukivaa kilemba msiangalie must go, mamsangalia must go. Na Joyce Kiaro akauga I thought after impeachment president would not be bothering about Gachagua, but it's like the president instead has become coward and much regretful. Na Rachel Goge akaikia Mohoro yake akauga wewe umekuwa rais, nini umefanyia wananchi ile wanaweza jivunia. Na mudo oweto Rachel Goge no agikorwa agitwikiria Mohoro ucio wake wa muico kuria agikorwa akiandiko wewe umekuwa rais, nini umefanyia wananchi ile wanaweza jivunia utapotoka mamlakani ama utapotoka mamlakani. Guko ni kwa mwagi wa Mohoro ni Ngongoyo na gitio kinene witikire uko subscribe thini wa channel eno itu nigetha ukamukagira Mohoro o hindi ciothe magikorwo makiandika guku nenda-ini cio kinyanire nginya muthenya ungi. Ni njitagwo mwagi wa Mohoro, subscribe thini wa channel eno itu.